Facts about Rio de Janeiro. Thanks to its golden beaches, samba-fueled nightlife and pulsating energy, Rio de Janeiro is the most popular and well-known city in Brazil. We've gathered 10 secret facts about Rio that you probably didn't know the city had up its sleeve. 1. Rio is home to the world's largest urban forest. Rio's wonderful mix of nature and urban life can be seen in the Tijuca Forest, the world's largest forest to coexist with the city. Though it was once destroyed by local coffee plantations, its 32 square kilometers, 12 square miles, were repopulated with millions of seedlings at the end of the 1800s, and it eventually grew into an enormous forest teeming with wildlife. 2. Street art is legal in Rio de Janeiro. Stroll through the streets of Rio and it won't take long to see how much street art decorates the city's buildings. As long as artists have permission from a building's owner and it is not an historic building, they can paint it with any designs they want. Some of Rio's best street artists include Marcello Ment, whose interview with Culture Trip you can read here. 3. Rio has hosted the world's largest concert. In 2006, the Rolling Stones performed a free concert on Copacabana Beach to an audience of 1.5 million people during their A Bigger Bang tour. However, it is Rod Stewart's 1994 concert on the same beach that is recorded as the largest ever in the world when he performed to a crowd of 3.5 million people. 4. Rio has the biggest carnival party in the world. Rio de Janeiro has the largest carnival party in the world. In 2004, over 400,000 foreign tourists flocked to the city for the celebrations to join the 5 million locals who already participate in the famous parades and street parties. 5. Rio holds the record for the largest football match attendance. The Rio de Janeiro World Cup final in 1950 was the most attended football match in the world. The match between Uruguay and Brazil was held at the Maracanã Stadium, which housed nearly 200,000 people. A total of 173,850 paying attendees, and 20,000 fans who snuck in for free, came to watch the game. Despite high expectations for a Brazil win, it was Uruguay who won the match, much to the immense disappointment of the Brazilian fans who to this day consider it one of the worst days in Brazilian football history. 6. Christ the Redeemer is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The most symbolic and iconic of Rio's attractions is the Christ the Redeemer, a huge statue of Jesus Christ that overlooks the city from its perch on top of the Corcovado mountain. In 2007, it was elected as one of the world's new 7 wonders, joining the exclusive list that includes the Great Wall of China and Machu Picchu in Peru. 7. Rio de Janeiro used to be the capital of Brazil. Contrary to popular belief, Brasilia is the capital of Brazil, not Rio de Janeiro. But before Brasilia became the capital, the country had 2 other capital cities. Salvador was the first between 1549 and 1763, and then Rio de Janeiro from 1763 until 1960.